In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create a shortcut icon in Brave Browser. Welcome to this easy-to-follow Brave Browser tutorial. If there are certain websites you visit regularly, creating custom shortcut icons can help you access them much faster. Instead of typing website addresses every time or searching through your bookmarks, you can place your favorite sites directly on your new tab page for quick and convenient access. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of setting up custom shortcuts in Brave Browser so you can keep your most important websites just one click away. Let's get started. To begin, open the Brave Browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right area of the screen. There, you'll find a gear-shaped icon that provides access to customization settings for your new tab page and browser layout. Click on this icon to open the available settings. After opening the Settings panel, look toward the left side of the screen where you'll see several categories listed. Locate and select the option called Top Sites. This section controls the shortcuts that appear on your new tab page and allows you to customize which websites are displayed for quick access. Within the Top Sites settings, find the option labeled Favorites and select it. This setting allows you to manually manage the shortcuts that appear on your new tab page rather than relying solely on automatically generated suggestions. Choosing this option gives you greater control over which websites are displayed. Once you've selected Favorites, you can close the Settings panel. The necessary configuration has already been applied, and you're now ready to add your own custom shortcut. Next, return to the main browser window and locate the menu icon near the top area of the page. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Add Site. This feature allows you to manually create a shortcut for any website you'd like to access quickly. A dialog box will then appear on your screen. In the first field, enter a name for the website. This name will be displayed beneath the shortcut icon, so choose a label that makes the site easy to recognize at a glance. Below that field, you'll see another box where you'll need to enter the website's URL. Carefully type the complete web address for the site you want the shortcut to open. Ensuring the address is entered correctly will help the shortcut work as expected. After entering both the site name and the URL, click Save Changes. Brave will create the shortcut and add it to your available favorites. You should now see the new icon displayed on your new tab page, ready to open your chosen website with a single click. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.